Hello wonderful people, this time I'm going to unboxing this single LED with motion sensor, and this type of LED light you can use it on your porch or on your garage. Alright, so let's see what is inside. So this is the bulbs, obviously. So let's open this one. So you can adjust them, how point down or point up or point right or left, usually because you're gonna put on top. What else here? This 2-pack single LED believed for easily transforms ordinary fixtures into motion activated light, stays illuminated for 90 seconds, with rated for outdoor use, and bright white light. The estimated energy cost only $1.81 per year, and the brightness is 1500 lumens. Cut your electricity bill. It has a lifespan of 15,000 hours that can effectively reduce the frequency of replacing, energy and cost saving, by replacing your 90-watt halogen fixture. Save more than 85% electricity bill per year. Motion sensor on and off to avoid unnecessary waste. Dusk-to-dawn mode. Just leave the switch on all the time while the bulb only turns on when it's dark. So it's important to turn off power before installation or removal and discontinue use if damaged. Alright, this set's unboxing, and now we will see how to set up outside. Alright guys, so I'm already outside here, and before it's the holes here is too big, so my husband made a kind of piece of wood, square wood here, and then mounting it here, and then to put the this junction box, and he make a holes here. The perfect size is like a 3.5 inch. And here is the ground. It's called ground cables, and then this is white cable and black cable. So the flat part it's at the bottom, and then so here's about the ground cable. Need to put one more bolt here. And then wire the ground through the bolts. And then tighten up, tighten up, tighten up. Now white and white. Right there. Now time to put the bulbs. Like that. To the garage. And then one is towards the... So now here's nighttime. Here's from indoor, and here's the switch. It's on, and I'm gonna walk outside. See, now it's turned off, and then when I walk outside, see, woo! The lights towards to the roads out there, and towards to our vehicles out there. There is a cat. See out there. It is worked perfectly with the motion. So only really works anywhere that motions go. There you go. Finally turn off. Okay, now I will walk in there and then you will see how sensitive the motion is.